Alright, it seems that some people have gone a little DMCA crazy the last few days, I suppose. And this video is simply to notify you, forward it on over to anyone who receives what they perceive as a false DMCA. Fair use. If you are using someone else's material here on YouTube for commentary, criticism, or parody is, well, let me read you from, I believe it's Berkeley's website. This is from the Stanford University, Copyright and Fair Use, clicking parody, and I'll put the link down below. A parody is a work that ridicules another, usually well-known work, by imitating it in a comic way. Judges, this is in a courtroom, understand that by its nature, parody demands some taking from the original work being parodied. Unlike other forms of fair use, a fairly extensive use of the original work is permitted in a parody in order to conjure up the original. So I know a lot of recent videos that have been DMCA'd are exactly that. So yes, you should counter the DMCAs if you can. And I provided a means. I know that a number of folks are bothered by the possibility that their docs will be dropped. And this particular group that has false DMC'd a number of recent videos is notorious for doc dropping. Go to unitygathering.org. You'll see me. You'll see my name on that page, so I totally understand why you would want to protect yourself. So since they already know who I am, this particular group, and that's the folks that watch my channel are affected by this particular group, Mighty Wind. I've set up this website, counterDMCAcom, for the price of an iTunes song, $1.29. You are hiring me, my law firm, as your agent for service of process in the event that you get sued. The reason that I charge any money whatsoever, and I tried to make it as negligible as possible, was because of the off chance that I have to spend some time doing some work if I receive a lawsuit on your behalf to forward it over to you. So you have to supply me with your proper information that is protected under the attorney-client privilege and will never be supplied to other parties under that basis, absent any kind of court order. And I can't see that that would possibly happen. It is very possible that you could receive a lawsuit that I would receive it on your behalf, and I'd forward it on over to you. You are agreeing to a number of things. In particular, if you're out of the country, you are agreeing to be subject to the laws in Los Angeles and to be sued in Los Angeles. Or in the case of being outside the country, agreeing to the area in which YouTube is located, which I think somewhere in San Bruno, Northern California. So that's the long and short of it. And take a look at the link that I put down below, but know that if you want to protect your information and you want to have a law firm that's backing you up, if you will, feel free to use counterDMCA.com. I hope that it helps. It was an idea of Jazzy from LA, I think, was a user a long time ago. Had recommended I do something like this, and I was hemming and hawing in terms of price and cost, and I figured that most of the time I wouldn't have to do anything but supply the website. So the $1.29 helps to keep the website up as well. And that's it. And so if you have any questions, let me know. I hope that this helps you. And by the way, we're doing a daily Bible reading. If you are a believer, Christian believer, you'd like to join us at Jesus 7 Days 365, click some link around here, and that will take you to the channel. And email me and let me know that you'd like to participate. It'd be great. I'd love for you to join us, and we need some ladies, if you can, to do a daily Bible reading. It doesn't have to be every day. It's however the Spirit leads. I think eventually we'll do a schedule, but as we're jumping right out right now, I'm going to try and do a daily reading. I've been reading through Galatians, which Mighty Wind members who will probably be watching this, you should be reading the book of Galatians. You really should. It kind of shines a lot of light on the things that are going on in your particular organization. That's it. God bless. Any questions, post them down there as well. If the site doesn't work, let me know too. In essence, what's going to happen is you're going to get all the information you need once you supply me with all the information on that website. You'll get an email, and it may go in your spam folder, so you want to check your spam folder if you don't get it in a few minutes. And if for some reason it doesn't all work, please let me know as soon as possible. I tested it very little, just finished it just now just to get it done because of all of the false DMCAing that's been going on the last couple days. Peace.